Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and like we do every couple months, we wanted to introduce you to a new team member here at Kitchen and Bath Crate. And so Doug Polich has been with us for about 4 or 5 months now, and now is a perfect time to have you learn a little bit about Doug. And so we're going to come on into our warehouse here on 9th Street, and we're going to find Doug. Oh look, he happens to be here in the shop. It's almost as if we had this planned. So Doug, why don't you come on over? Hey Doug, put her there.
Hey Scott.
You like that?
Yeah, that's very good.
So come a little closer so you get these two manly men here in the shot. As a fellow facial hair wearer, I want to know, when did the goatee come about? Tell me the origins of the Doug Polich goatee.
That's about all I could grow at one point. I had no facial hair on the side, still kind of bald-headed there, so heavy beard here.
Perfect.
Yep.
I like it. And so, just so if you haven't met Doug yet out there in Kitchen and Bath Crate land, Doug is one of the guys that oversees our projects in the field. So you make the magic happen, make sure that the quality is there, make sure the jobs run smoothly.
That's correct.
So tell the folks, what were you doing previous to joining the Crate team here?
I was a general contractor for about 30 years. Did my own work, one job at a time, a little different than here.
Yeah, a little different.
Pretty much was a jack of all trades. Specialized in kitchen and bathroom remodeling, which is what we do here. And that's about it.
Perfect. And so now, are you from the Modesto area? You're from elsewhere? Or tell us a little bit about...
I grew up in Chicago, came out here after college, got a degree in landscape architecture, which I used for about maybe 5 years.
Very good.
And then got into the construction business and enjoyed it from that point on. Lived out here in the Bay Area for about 10 years and out in Modesto for about 30 years.
Oh, excellent. Now, Polich, that's a real strong Chicago name, is it not? See, always managing jobs, right?
It's not really a strong name.
Oh, no?
No. Polich?
Yeah.
No, it's a Yugoslavian name.
Okay.
There's not many of them out there.
Really?
I don't know anybody that's a Polich.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're an original.
Yep.
All right. Very good. So going forward, like, what are some things that you're looking forward to about being part of this team, and what's maybe some things that you've enjoyed so far in the last 4 or 5 months?
So far I've enjoyed the how fast we get things done and how we can see a completed project really fast. I enjoy that a lot.
Yeah,
it takes me on my own probably about 2 or 3 months to get a job done as quick as it is. So I enjoy that a lot.
Very cool. Very cool. And so far working with the team, you've enjoyed the people here?
I have. Everybody's great. They've all been real helpful.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, fantastic. So it's great to have you on the team. Now, some things that people don't know about the world here at Crate is, I think we have a pretty decent number of snacks here at the office in terms of selection and things like that. But you're kind of a foodie guy, right? I hear you know how to cook. What are some of your favorite
I can barbecue.
things? Yeah. What are some of your favorite things to grill up?
Probably if I want to do something real quick, I'll grill up a tri-tip. I like doing steaks and chickens and stuff like that. I'll do a lot of smoking of meat.
You never know.
Yeah.
This day and age, right? Smoking can connotate a lot of different activities.
I've cured meats, so
very good.
Kind of a meat guy.
Love it. Very good. Well, it's great to have you on the team. And for those of you out there that haven't yet had an opportunity to meet Doug, plug your ears because I'm going to compliment you. Doug so far has been a big hit with our Kitchen and Bath Crate customers. I think that when you walk into the project, they know that you've been doing this for a long time and their project's in good hands. And we're so appreciative to have that on our team as well. So
thank you very much.
Thanks for joining the team. Thanks for watching this video. This is Doug Polich. Polich, right? I'm saying it right.
Yep.
Some people say Polich, and I'm like, no.
Well, there's no H on the end, but it sounds like there is.
Excellent. So this is Doug Polich with Kitchen and Bath Crate. If you have a kitchen or bath need, let us know, kbcrate.com, or give us a call at 888-995-7996. Thanks so much.